Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a sample journal for tracking your habits using the Journal app. Open the app and click on Create. Now select Sample Journals and then find this habit tracker. Click on it and then tap Use this journal. Wait a few seconds and then you can see the pages of this template and you can edit it freely. When you go back, then you can see this habit tracker journal on your main page as well. I hope it will be useful for you.